All right. Now, if it weren't 9 o'clock the night before this is due and completely snowing and black outside, you might be able to see the Paine Center for the Sciences behind me. But alas, we are here in the library atrium because it is very cold outside. So the Paine Center for the Sciences, as you might guess, is home to a bunch of our science departments. So that would be stuff like biology, chemistry, physics, math, engineering, all that jazz. As a physics and math major myself, I spend almost 120% of my time inside of that building. So yeah, that is Paine. So the faculty in Paine have a really good and interesting philosophy for teaching. And they believe that one way of learning is to just hear it, hear a lecture. Another way is to hear and see. So seeing examples and like PowerPoint or something, along with hearing a lecture. But the best way to learn is by seeing, hearing, and doing. So that's hearing a lecture, seeing examples and presentations, and then right afterward applying it and doing the actual lesson. And so that's why most of the classrooms in Paine have chalkboard walls or whiteboard all over the place and movable chairs and tables, so that right after hearing a lecture, students can go and do a lab if they're in a lecture lab format, and go apply the skills and really solidify the connection in their head right away. So that's something that really makes classes in Paine so much more interactive and enjoyable for students. Even students who aren't interested in majoring in a scientific area, you will have to take some classes inside of Paine because of a gen ed requirement, but they're always very enjoyable classes and usually about very interesting topics. But if you are a little more interested in the sciences, there are lots of opportunities for students to get research done with professors, usually on a 2-to-1 or 1-to-1 ratio. So we have our first year honors seminar for students who get into the science honors program, which is a big second semester research project and building project, and afterward they're allowed to travel. We have a summer research institute where students can work at Houghton on campus over the summer, usually one-on-one or two-on-one with the faculty working on a specific project. And we also have research done throughout the year, especially if you're in a science major like physics. I have a lab class that is specifically dedicated to doing research, and I spend a certain number of hours a week just doing what I'm interested in. So that is the Paine Center of Sciences for you.